Did you know a cluttered space can significantly impact your mental health and productivity? Today, I'm sharing a decluttering schedule that could change your life forever. In this video, we're diving into decluttering and exploring how a well-structured decluttering schedule can improve your daily life. Decluttering isn't just about having a tidy home. It's about creating a space that fosters peace, efficiency, and overall well-being. Let's explore the transformative power of a decluttering schedule. We all face everyday struggles when it comes to decluttering. Decluttering can feel daunting, from the overwhelming amount of stuff we accumulate to the lack of time and motivation to tackle it all. Many of us don't know where to start or how to maintain a clutter-free environment. But don't worry, I'm here to help you create a manageable and effective decluttering schedule. Before we get into the details, if you're finding our content helpful, please hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tips on minimalist living and decluttering. Here are 5 practical tips and strategies for creating a decluttering schedule that works for you. 1. Time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for decluttering in your daily or weekly schedule. Whether 15 minutes a day, an hour every Saturday morning, or a specific time you're comfortable with, having dedicated time slots ensures you make consistent progress without feeling rushed. Time blocking has always been my favorite and go-to decluttering scheduling method. 2. Create checklists. Write down specific tasks for each decluttering session. Checklists can help you stay focused and ensure that no area is overlooked. Plus, ticking off completed tasks gives a satisfying sense of progress. 3. Prioritize high-impact areas. Focus on areas that make the most significant difference in your daily life. Start with high-traffic areas like the kitchen, living room, or home office. Decluttering these spaces first can provide an immediate sense of accomplishment and motivation to continue. 4. Set specific goals. Begin by setting clear, achievable goals. Break it down into smaller tasks instead of trying to declutter your entire house at once. For example, aim to declutter one room or even one section of a room each week. This makes the process less overwhelming. And don't forget, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button to keep receiving valuable content like this. 5. Use the 4-box method. This method involves sorting items into 4 categories: keep, donate, sell, and trash. As you go through each area, place items into these boxes to make decisions easier and more structured. The key to a successful decluttering schedule is consistency. Regularly dedicating time to decluttering helps maintain a clutter-free environment and builds a habit that can transform your life. Consistency reduces stress, enhances productivity, and creates a more harmonious living space. Imagine coming home to a space that's not only tidy, but also reflects your mindful living. Consistent decluttering allows you to enjoy the benefits of a minimalist lifestyle without feeling overwhelmed. Following a decluttering schedule can lead to significant improvements in your daily life. You can achieve and maintain a clutter-free, organized, and peaceful living space by setting specific goals, time blocking, prioritizing high-impact areas, using the 4-box method, and creating checklists. The benefits of such a schedule include reduced stress, increased productivity, and a more enjoyable home environment. We'd love to hear your own decluttering experiences and tips. Please share them in the comments below. If you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe for more tips on improving daily living. See you in this next video.